Good morning students, welcome back to the EVS class. I hope all are good. Today we are going to study the last part of this chapter. Okay, what is the name of the chapter? Climate. Okay, we learned many things from this chapter. Students, now let us learn about the climate change. How does climate change affect us? How does climate change affect us? अगर क्लाइमेट चेंज हो गया तो हमें ये कैसे अफेक्ट कर सकता है, हमें ये कैसे परेशान हो जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ क्लाइमेट चेंज इंक्लूड्स वार्म इन टेम्परेचर, देन इंटेंसिटी ऑफ एक्सट्रीम वेदर, rising sea levels, then changes in precipitation, we already learned about that, then mist, dew, rain, changes in precipitation, it occurs because of that. Understand students? Then these impacts threaten our health by affecting the food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe, then the weather we experience, cold or hot. जो वेदर है वो हमें कैसे एक्सपीरियंस, हमें कैसे वो अनुभव हो सकता है. एंड ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट अस लर्न अबाउट फ्लड एंड ड्रॉट्स. फ्लड मीन्स यू नो ऑलरेडी ना, फ्लड जब बाढ़ आ जाएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन द लेवल ऑफ द वाटर इंक्रीज especially in the rainy season. Okay students, flood occur because of the severe rainfall. Okay students, and severe rainfall is caused by changes of weather in the atmosphere. Okay, when the level of water vapor increased, it happens, it's heavy rainfall means cloud burst हो जाता है. Understand students? Then what are the effects of the flooding? जब बाढ़ आ गया तो क्या क्या हो सकता है? Students, you already know that disease causing microorganisms like bacteria, virus, okay, it will multiply in the flood water, then it spread diseases, it leads to diseases in many places for many people. Okay, लोग परेशान हो जाएगा. Then it can damage our buildings, then with heavy storm, okay, it can damage buildings, houses, bridges, then power line will down, means जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का पावर लाइन है वो नीचे गिर जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? एस्पेशली इट कैन अफेक्ट अवर फूड सिस्टम, फूड प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम, इट कैन डैमेज अवर क्रॉप्स. जब हम खेती करेगा, अगर बाढ़ आ गया तो, पानी ज़्यादा आ गया तो सब पानी का अंदर जाएगा. ओके, मीन्स वी डू नॉट गेट एनी क्रॉप्स फ्रॉम द फील्ड. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? देन ड्रॉट्स मीन्स नो वाटर, shortage of water, lack of water. See, means no rain for long period of time. Over a long period of time there is no rain, then it will happen droughts. Okay students, you know already all plants and animals depend by water. There is no water, very difficult condition. Okay students, so also this droughts leads to wildfire. अगर ज़्यादा higher temperature ज़्यादा आ गया तो it leads to droughts. Then this droughts leads to, otherwise this higher temperature leads to wildfire. Number of animals will die. Then what will happen? Students, they lost their habitat. Okay, without water we cannot able to live. Okay students, droughts, it is a very difficult condition. This type of climate change very difficult for us. It can affect us harmfully. Then hibernation. What is hibernation? Do you know that? Hibernation means some type of animals going for long sleep in winter season. Okay students, they are going for long sleep. Some type of insects, snakes and bats. Then bear also. This bear enter their dens for long sleep. Okay students, because why they are going for long sleep? They want to escape from the एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड. ज़्यादा जब कोल्ड आ जाएगा वो बचने के लिए अंदर चले जाता है. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? बट इफ एग्जाम्पल ऑलवेज मीन्स एवरी ईयर 6 month विंटर सीजन इन कोल्ड कंट्रीज, ऐसे सोच लो 6 month है, बट बिकॉज ऑफ क्लाइमेट चेंज समटाइम्स इट विल फॉर 4 months, कभी कभी 4 months होता है. सो इट कैन अफेक्ट द लाइफ पैटर्न ऑफ द hibernated animals. Okay students, means it when it the winter season becomes shorter. अगर winter season short हो गया तो it can affect the life pattern of hibernate animals. Okay students, then health of people, you already know that. See, when higher temperature in the atmosphere, it can affect the health of people, especially children, elderly people, then poor people. They don't have good facilities, they don't have good houses to escape from the cold, otherwise to escape from the extreme hot. Okay students, in winter season, they don't have good blankets, otherwise they don't have fridges, they don't have good houses, and some people are working in the roadside, some people are working in the field, so it may cause death. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स, कभी कभी लोग मर जाते हैं ज़्यादा, अगर गर्मी आ गया तो, ज़्यादा ठंड आ गया तो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देन चिल्ड्रन, इट कैन अफेक्ट द चिल्ड्रन. हायर टेम्परेचर मीन्स एक्सट्रीम वेदर कैन अफेक्ट द चिल्ड्रन, छोटे छोटे बच्चों को बीमार हो जाता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देन एल्डरली पीपल, हमारे जो दादा दादी लोग हैं, बुजुर्ग लोग हैं, उनको भी प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. ओके, इट कैन अफेक्ट द एल्डरली पीपल ऑल्सो, हायर टेम्परेचर. ओके, अदरवाइज एक्सट्रीम विंटर और एक्सट्रीम हॉट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, then this, because of this higher temperature, polar ice caps and ice on mountains melt. Okay, then in turn because especially coastal area will submerges villages and towns पूरा पानी का अंदर हो जाएगा, because polar ice caps, otherwise ice mountains started to melt. Why? Because of higher temperature in the summer season. We already know that in the polar area they are not getting enough sunlight because of the slanting rays of the sun rays. Okay students, so places are covered with the ice, जगह पूरा ice में भरा हुआ है, they are not getting enough sunlight. Okay, but in winter season, in summer season, hot ज़्यादा हो गया तो because of higher temperature it started to melt. Otherwise global warming means when the ratio of the carbon dioxide will increase in the atmosphere because of automobiles and factories vomiting this carbon dioxide, the emissions of harmful gases, hot become increase. Understand students, earth become hotter, so that is the ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. सो बिकॉज ऑफ अगर अर्थ ज़्यादा हॉट हो गया तो ये जो आइस है वो मेल्ट हो जाएगा. वी ऑलरेडी नो दैट व्हाट इज मेल्टर. इट इज मेल्टर मीन्स आइस पानी में हो जाएगा. ओके, आइस स्टेज इज कन्वर्ट टू द लिक्विड. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स, कंडेंसेशन. सो इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट कंडीशन. कोस्टल एरिया पूरा पानी का अंदर आ जाएगा. ओके, सबमर्ज coastal area, towns and villages. Okay, these things can affect us because of climate change. Okay, climate अगर ज़्यादा बिगड़ गया तो हमें परेशान करेगा. Okay, now let us learn what can we do about it. हमें क्या कर सकता है? We can do something. Okay, we can control something. Now let us learn what we can do. See, walk or use public transport. We can go by walk nearby area. No need to take your own vehicle. You can inform your parents. Okay students, then use public transport. If you want to go long travel, means दूर दूर जाना है तो we can use the public transport. We do not want to take your own vehicle. For what? Because these automobiles release the harmful gases. These harmful gases trap the heat of the sun. Then earth become hotter. Understand? Then these gases can affect our lungs. It may cause diseases. Okay students, then rescue or recycle as many bottles, cans and newspapers. We can use the newspaper again and again. Okay, then cans, plastic bottles, we can use this when we go to the market. We are getting many liquid items in the bottles. So one time we can take the plastic bottles, then we can reuse it again and again. We can reuse this type of plastic bottles. No need to buy again and again this many plastic bottles. Okay students, then use cloth bags, then and avoid plastic bags. Okay students, see, use cloth bags. We can use the cloth bags. these plastic items, when they burn, they release harmful gases. It can affect our lungs. It may cause diseases. Okay students, so then this plastic destroy the fertility of the soil. अगर नीचे गया तो soil का अंदर ये गया तो it can stop the fertility of soil. It can destroy the soil. Okay, means then so we can avoid the plastic items. Then use cloth bag when you are going to market. Otherwise you are going to any places, you can take your cloth bag. You collect things in that, okay, in the cloth bag. Okay students, then grow more plants for what? See, these green plants absorb carbon dioxide because from factories, from automobiles, they release carbon dioxide. They emitted carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This carbon dioxide they release into the atmosphere. Then earth become hotter. Okay, means this carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gases. These gas trap the heat of the sun. Thus it become increase. The earth become hotter. So we can plant trees. हमारे आसपास में जगह में छोटे छोटे पौधे लगा दो, ट्रीज लगा दो, तो हमें we get cool atmosphere because they release water vapor. Then they give food. Thus they give shelter. They give shade. So you can plant trees, grow more plants. Okay students, then do not waste electricity. Why? Students, this electricity produced by burning coal. Many production are there. Means force of water, force of wind, but also this electricity produced by burning coal. Then when they go in thermal power plant, when they burn, they release, means they produce tremendous of heat. They release the heat into atmosphere. Also they release harmful gases. Understand students? So do not waste electricity. You can switch off fan and light when they are not needed. Okay, then use solar energy. We already learned plants make their food by sunlight. Okay students, so this solar energy can produce electricity, so we can utilize this. Okay, now students, please go and read this chapter and learn it. Okay, page number 317. Okay students, good.